It's summertime. Not necessarily the summer we were all hoping and dreaming for, but I'm still finding a way to alleviate my worries. Today that came in the form of sitting down and having some nice quiet time with my plants. "Who art thou?" I said to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer as here translated. "I am the poem of the earth," said the voice of the rain. "Eternal I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea, upward to heaven whence, vaguely formed, altogether changed, and yet the same. I descend to lay the droughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me recedes, only latent, unborn, and forever by day and night I give back to my own origin, and I make it pure and beautify it for song, issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, dually with love returns." The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman. Wow! Incredible! rain kiss you. Let the rain beat upon your head with silver liquid drops. Let the rain sing you a lullaby. The rain makes still pools on the sidewalk. The rain makes running pools in the gutter. The rain plays a little sleep song on our roof at night. And I love the rain. April Rain Song by Langston Hughes.